So I'm going to create a pattern on this shirt. Simple pattern. As you notice, I've got 2 colors on my brush, which makes the pattern look really good. Now the picture feels finished, so I'll let it go. Oh, the next one is going to be a farm scene. You know, this very popular stuff, farm scenes. And I'm going to draw it. Now, what I'm going to do is to make sure that proportionately it's good. So what I'm going to do is make proportions. In other words, I'm going to cut the paper in, not in half, but in 2 dimensions. One is smaller than the other,